Okay. This video, we're just going to do the moments part, step 1 right now. So, here we go. When you have trusses, the first step you do with trusses is the moments part. Okay? And so you have to look at this and say, all right, well, my sum of my moments has to add up to 0. If they didn't add to 0, you would have something rotating. And a bridge would not be a good bridge if it's rotating around. You pick the pin to be the axis of rotation. Okay? Because then you only have one force you have to solve for. So I'm going to pick this point here. That's my axis of rotation. All right? So now I'm going to look and say, all right, well, so my sum of my moments have to add up to 0. All right? So what are all the moments acting on it? Well, let's start. Let's just see what we have first. We have 1,000 pounds of force. So first one is 1,000 pounds of force. And the distance from the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation is 3. Okay? Is that going to be a positive or a negative value? Is this a positive or a negative? If we put our thumb, or if we look at the rotation using our fingers to rotate, is my thumb pointing down or is my thumb pointing up for that moment? Down. It's down. So is it a positive or negative? Thumbs down means negative. All right. Next. What's the next one I have? There, right? So right here at point B, I have 250 pounds of force times 5. Correct. We got a 3 plus a 2, so we have a 5. Again, positive or negative moment? Negative. Negative moment. Okay. What's the next one? 500 times 7. 500 times 7. 2 plus 2 plus 3. Positive or negative? Negative. Negative. All three of those moments are causing this bridge to rotate clockwise. Which, if you curl your fingers clockwise, you get thumbs down, which means negative. So all three should be negative moments. All right? What's the final force that's fighting against this to keep the bridge from rotating? C, the roller at C. The roller at C, which would be the reactionary force at C in the y direction. Okay? So this is how we set up all the moments problems and all the truss problems. We do the moments, we look at what's causing it to rotate in the counterclockwise, which is going in the clockwise, fight each other, but it's always solving for one reactionary force when we do trusses. So we have RCY times what distance? What's the perpendicular distance from A? 10. So RCY times 10. All right? And RCY, or that moment, is that going to be positive or negative? It's positive because RCY is going up, which would cause the truss to rotate counterclockwise. That's a positive moment. So all of that is equal to 0. Okay? All right, somebody give me some help with the calculations. I know this one's, so we have 0 is equal to negative 3,000 minus what? 5 times 250, that's what, 1,250? Yeah, 1,000. Yeah? Okay. And then 3,500. And then plus RCY times 10. All right. You add those up, what do we got? 6,000. What is that going to be? 7,750? Yes. So we have 0, negative 7,750. And if I'm wrong, it's Ian Dinga's fault. Plus 10 times RCY. Right? So then bring it over. So we have 7,750 is equal to 10 RCY. Divide by 10. And we get that RCY is going to be 775. So we know that this force here is 775. Okay? All right.